Are you a British citizen who want to move to Portugal? Do you want the freedom to bring your family under the family reunion visa in Portugal? No matter if your family is in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, or even any other part of the world, you can sponsor them even if they are in their home country. Are you a student in the UK, or on a work visa, and you want to apply for Portugal temporary residence permit? The good news is that you can do all that by practicing your EU rights without any hassle before the 31st of December 2020. After the 31st of December 2020, only EU nationals will be able to sponsor their family members via the Portugal residence permit. Contact Always Promise Visa and Immigration Consultancy now for personalized assistance with your immigration application. Don't delay, contact Always Promise now. The Portuguese Immigration and Borders Services, along with the UK government, have begun a campaign with the intention of reminding the UK citizens who are presently residing in Portugal to register for continued residence in the country. Britain's government statement clearly states that UK nationals who are residing in Portugal, or plan to, by the end of 2020, must register for residence before the end of this year.
Changing the rules on immigration.
An immigration bill.
Points-based immigration system. Brightest and the best.
The greatest place to live.
In this video update we will tell you how to immigrate to Portugal from UK. As per the statement made public by the UK's government, British citizens who reside in Portugal and are fascinated in staying there after the end of 2020, in addition to those who come to Portugal by December 31, 2020, and desire to live in Portugal, must register with their local town hall in order to get their certificate of registration. In this video update, we will tell you about the important procedures in which British nationals can stay long-term in Portugal. Foreign nationals, especially British citizens, who wish to know more details about a particular situation mentioned in this video, can contact Always Promise Consultants to get personalized information. Relocating to Portugal from the UK. British nationals will discover that, at the moment, it is relatively easy to relocate to Portugal because of the UK's treatment as segment of the EU. Until the end of 2020, British nationals can travel to Portugal without a visa and apply for a residence permit when they want to live in Portugal for long periods and work, as per their particular case. Visa and immigration consultants at Always Promise can help UK nationals with full information, as required should the legislation in force change. British nationals can obtain the right to reside in Portugal with one of the following permits, which can be granted for any of the conditions: employed work, self-employment or entrepreneurial activities, scientific research or teaching, study, student exchange, internship or voluntary service, higher education mobility programs for students already residing in Portugal who want to further their studies, family reunion and pensioners and people with income. Majority of these types of residence permits are applied for before the applicant chooses to come to Portugal and carry on his or her stay for more than 3 months. Always Promises team of agents who specialize in immigration to Portugal can offer applicants with complete information about the documents that should be submitted when making the right to reside application in Portugal. We highly suggest you to get in touch with them before you make application with the Embassy of Portugal or the Consulate General of Portugal, which is located in London. Residence permit applications. UK citizens who make their application for a work or residence permit in Portugal are required to submit the following documents: photographs, 2 recent and identical ones. Proof of ID includes their valid identification document, for example passport. Criminal record must be issued by the UK authorities. Supporting documentation include any contracts, indentures, business plans that verify their chosen residence permit application. Other requirements may depend of the specific condition. Documents might be required, such as tax registration confirmation, social security registration confirmation, etc. Once you have a Portuguese residence permit, either temporary or permanent, you can apply for a family reunion visa in Portugal for your following relatives: spouse, partner, on condition that the law recognizes the relationship; minor dependent children including adopted children and those of your spouse or partner; dependent parents and those of your spouse; children who are under your care and or the care of your spouse and who are studying in Portugal; minor brothers and sisters who are under your custody; UK citizens who want more information about the documents they should submit to the Portuguese embassy or consulate should reach out to Always Promise consultants for more up-to-date information. Their team will ask you to provide them with related facts about your purpose to stay in Portugal, and they will be able to offer personalized advice after you provide those details. According to a report published by Foreigners and Borders Service, in 2018, there were over 26,000 UK nationals residing in Portugal. The primary age group was between the ages 15 to 64, that is 55.9%. The second age group was 65 and over, totally to 39%. Merely 5.3% of British citizens below the age of 15 reside in Portugal. Keeping these facts in mind, if you really want to relocate, contact Always Promise immediately, as one of their Portugal immigration agents can help you if you are a British citizen desiring to move to Portugal. As mentioned in the statistics, UK nationals make up for a diverse age distribution, and they decide to move to Portugal both for employment reasons and also for retirement. Contact Always Promise now for personalized assistance. We hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to comment below if you have any queries. Thanks for watching today's video update.